Okay, this is another vector basics video which we're going to go through an example of an airplane in flight. Now we have an airplane, excusing my shoddy drawing, that is flying 600 kilometers an hour due east. It experiences a gust of wind at 50 kilometers per hour to the south. What is the magnitude of the resulting vector? Now, if we were to think about the vector on its own, we'll call it v. The vector, if we identify north to be the positive axis for the y-axis, then the vector itself will be 600 and minus 50. If we're only looking in two dimensions, and we're assuming that the plane does not gain or lose any altitude due to the wind. But we're looking for the magnitude of the vector v, which we know from Pythagorean theorem is the square root of those two components added together. Now, point to note is this minus 50, because it's being squared, will go back to being a positive. Now that is square root of 360,000 plus 2,500, and I won't be able to work that out on my own, so the magnitude of our resulting vector is 602 point, round to two decimal places, 0.8 kilometers per hour. Now you can use your cosine and sine rules in order to work out the angle at which it is pushed off course, if you really want to, but for this example we're just going up down to the magnitude, so our answer is 602.08 kilometers an hour. Alright, thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below, and hope to see you next video.